Hi guys, this is Meha. I'm going to be going over discussion 5, question 1.1, which is asking what would Python output given all these expressions evaluated in order. So let's start out by drawing the box and pointer diagrams. In the first line, we're given list 1, and we know that list 1 is going to point to a new list that consists of the elements 1, 2, and 3. In the next line, we create a new variable list 2 and set it equal to list 1. All this means is that we draw an arrow from list 2 that points to the same list as list 1. Notice that there were no new lists created in this step. So in the next line, we check if list 2 is list 1. What this means is that we're checking if the thing on the left, list 2, points to the same list as the thing on the right, list 1. So when we look at our box and pointer diagrams, we see that list 2 does in fact point to the same list as list 1. So this expression will evaluate to true. In the next line, we append 4 to list 1. Remember that the function append is going to mutate the list that we already have. So we just tack on a 4 at the end of list 1. So now when we ask for list 1, we're going to get back 1, 2, 3, and 4. In step 3, we should notice that list 1 is still list 2. So because we mutated list 1, list 2 was mutated also. So when we ask for list 2, we'll get back the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. In step 4, we're assigning the first element of list 2 to equal 42. So this means that we change the first element of list 2 and set it equal to 42. Now when we ask for list 2, we're going to get back 1, 42, 3, and 4. Now notice again in step 5 that list 1 and list 2 still point to the same list. Because of this, list 1 got mutated in step 4 as well. So when we ask for list 1, we're going to get back 1, 42, sorry about that, 1, 42, 3, and 4. Now in step 6, we're assigning list 1 to equal a new list created by taking whatever list 1 previously pointed to, which is this, and tacking on a 5 at the end. So what this does is it gets rid of this arrow of list 1 pointing to the original list, creates a new arrow, and assigns list 1 to this new list. Now the first 4 elements of the new list will be whatever the list 1 was before this statement, plus a 5. So now when we ask for list 1, we're going to get back 1, 42, 3, 4, and 5. However, in step 7, when we ask for list 2, remember that list 2 still points to the original list that it pointed to all along. So when we ask for list 2, we're just going to get back 1, 42, 3, and 4. In the very last question, we're asked if list 2 is list 1. Again, all this is asking is if list 2 points to the same list as list 1. So all we have to do is look at our box and pointer diagram and look at where list 1 and list 2 point. Because they don't point to the same list, this expression evaluates to false.